Hello students, welcome to your science class of second standard. Today I am going to start a new topic that is water, water vapor and ice. The objective of the topic for today is to teach about three forms of water, water, water vapor, ice, three states of water, solid, liquid, gas. In this chapter, we will learn about forms of water, states of water, process of evaporation, process of condensation, and water cycle. Students, let's discuss some important terms of this chapter. Number 1. Evaporation. The process of changing water into water vapor on heating. Number 2. Steam. Gaseous form of water. Number 3. Ice. Solid form of water. Number 4. Water vapor, that is steam. Let's discuss some difficult words with meanings. Number 1. Water vapor means steam. Number 2. Wet means not dry. Number 3. Sun means a hot ball of fire. Number 4. Air means mixture of gases. Number 5. Steam means gaseous form of water. Students, open your Giant Science book, page number 70, lesson 12, water, water vapor and ice. Students, as you all know that water is an important part of our life, all living beings need water to live. Water is present in nature in three forms, that is ice, water, water vapor, and the three states of water are solid, liquid, gas. So students, ice is the solid form of water, water itself is the liquid form of water, steam or water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Students, in this chapter, we will learn about the three forms of water and the three states of water. Now, let's read. Water becomes water vapor. Underline word water vapor. Write down its meaning, steam. Try it out. Wet your t-shirt or sock and hang it in the sun. Underline word wet. Write down its meaning, not dry. Underline word sun. Write down its meaning, a hot ball of fire. What happens after some time? Students, now we will learn how water changes into water vapor. You might have seen your mother drying wet clothes in the sun. So, what happened to wet clothes after some time? Students, the wet clothes become dry. This happens because the water present in the wet clothes changes into water vapor because of the heat of the sun and the clothes become dry. Now, try it out. Keep a plate with some water in the sun. What happens after some time? Students, if you keep water in a shallow plate in the sunlight, what happens to the water after some time? After some time, we will see that there is no water on the plate. Why? This happens because the sun makes the water hot and the water changes into water vapor. It rises up and mixes into the air. So students, changing of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Now, why does it happen? The sun makes the water hot. The water changes into water vapor. This water vapor goes into the air. Underline word air. Write down its meaning, mixture of gases. Students, So, the reason behind this is the sun heats the water and the water evaporates and goes into the air. That is why the clothes become dry and the plate becomes empty. Now, if you heat water on the fire, the same thing happens. Water changes into water vapor and goes into the air. Students, if you heat water on the fire, the same thing happens. You might have seen your mother boiling water. The water changes into water vapor and goes into the air. Steam is very hot water vapor. Underline word steam. Write down its meaning, gaseous form of water. It can burn you. Students, water vapor is also known as gas or steam. Steam comes out when we heat water on the fire. So, steam is hot water vapor and it can burn you also. So, students, water changes into water vapor and goes into the air. This process of changing of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Students, now let's discuss some important questions. Number 1. What happens when water is heated? Answer. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. Question 2. What is steam? Answer. Gaseous form of water is called steam. Question 3. Why does your wet shirt dry when it is spread in the sun? Answer. Wet shirt dries due to evaporation. So students, till now we have learned 3 forms of water, 3 states of water and the process of evaporation. So learn important terms and questions. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.